I'll guide you how to make money from AI images. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀 and generate your artwork. For this example, we'll create a peaceful Japanese landscape with cherry blossom trees, a clear blue lake, and Mount Fuji in the background, with vibrant springtime lighting and natural detail. Once your image is complete, download and save it to your device in high resolution. Now, head over to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀𝗀 and log in using your Google account. After logging in, make sure to connect your payment method. I'm using PayPal for this tutorial. This will allow you to receive earnings directly from buyers all over the world. Next, on your Ko-Fi dashboard, look for the More Ways to Earn section and click on Shop. From there, select Add Product. Upload your image, write a title and short description, set your price, and upload the image file as a digital download for instant access. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Publish. And that's it. Your AI-generated artwork is now live and ready to be purchased by fans or supporters anytime.